If you're drowning in spreadsheets and building reports that take hours to update, Power BI can turn all that into a few slick dashboards with live data and way less stress. Power BI is Microsoft's business intelligence tool. Connects to nearly any data source: Excel, SQL, Salesforce, Google Analytics, cloud apps, lets you turn all that into interactive dashboards, charts, and reports. It's used by analysts, data teams, even non-tech folks, thanks to its drag-and-drop interface. The standout here is scalability. You can start with a personal dashboard and scale up to full enterprise-level analytics with row-level security, scheduled refreshes, and even AI insights. Excel users feel right at home, and Microsoft 365 integration is seamless. Plus, the DAX formula language adds serious power for custom calculations. Power BI Desktop is free, but to share reports or use collaboration features, you need Power BI Pro, which is $10 per user per month. Larger orgs may upgrade to Power BI Premium for more storage, faster refreshes, and broader access control. Now, the interface can feel clunky compared to more design-forward tools like Tableau. And while it's powerful, beginners may hit a wall with DAX and data modeling without some upfront learning. So Power BI is a powerhouse for turning messy data into clean insights, especially if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Scalable, surprisingly affordable, and trusted by teams from startups to Fortune 500s. Do you want a comparison with Tableau or Looker? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped, hit like and catch you in the next video.